What is ocean chemistry's role in deep-sea water behavior? Imagine the vast, mysterious depths of the ocean where sunlight barely reaches and pressure is immense. What keeps this environment so unique, and how does chemistry shape what happens down there? That's what we're about to explore. Ocean chemistry is like the ocean's recipe book, controlling everything from how water feels to how life survives in the deep. It all starts with what's dissolved in the water: salts, gases, and minerals. These substances influence key properties like how salty the water is, its acidity, and how much oxygen it contains. In deep waters, the temperature is very low, and pressure is extremely high. These conditions change how gases dissolve and how chemical reactions happen. Cold water can hold more gases like oxygen than warm water, which is why deep-sea water tends to be rich in oxygen, even though there's little sunlight for plants. One major part of ocean chemistry is the carbonate system. This system controls the pH of seawater and the amount of carbonate ions available. These ions are vital for animals like corals and shellfish that build shells and skeletons from calcium carbonate. When the water is saturated with aragonite, a form of calcium carbonate, it's easier for these creatures to grow and survive. But if the water becomes undersaturated, their shells can start to dissolve, making it harder for them to live. Changes in ocean chemistry, especially from increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, cause ocean acidification. This process adds hydrogen ions to seawater, lowering the pH and reducing carbonate ions. In deep waters, this can make the environment more corrosive to calcium carbonate structures, threatening deep-sea life that relies on these materials. Oxygen levels in the deep ocean are also influenced by chemistry and physical factors. There's often an oxygen minimum zone around 500 meters deep, where bacteria consume a lot of oxygen. Below this zone, cold, oxygen-rich water from the surface flows in, replenishing oxygen supplies. This oxygen availability is essential for deep-sea creatures and impacts how nutrients cycle through the ecosystem. Understanding how ocean chemistry affects deep water behavior helps scientists track ecosystem health, predict climate change effects, and manage marine resources. When chemistry shifts, it can change biodiversity, fisheries, and how carbon is stored in the ocean. So, ocean chemistry is the key to understanding how deep-sea water behaves, shaping the environment and life in the dark, cold depths of our planet's oceans.